So we're here at Rockchip, and so who are you?
My name is Sean.
And you talk about the world's first H.265 VP9 support, really?
Yes.
So how do you do that?
Currently, we have implemented this function through the software. So the CPU doesn't have a H.265 decoder, knowing it's too new, but we actually implement it through the software. So right now we have the 720p supported under our quad-core platform.
This RK3188 supports
That's right.
it. And it's just doing everything on the ARM core.
Yeah.
It's not using hardware decode.
We doesn't have because it's too new. So
not yet.
Not yet.
Could it have it in the future?
Sure. Once the it's been proven stable, and we're gonna plan it to our next generation product.
So here's a bunch of H.265 videos.
Yes.
And the other one is H.264.
Yeah. You can see the comparison. These are the trailer of the Fast and Furious 6. So you can judge the size is different because they are using different compressing protocol. So which made the H.265 way smaller, about 40% size less.
Can we try to play it?
Yes.
So
sure.
how smooth is it? Is it like fully smooth?
Yeah. It's at 25 FPS, but it's just source. We're still improving this to 30, then 60. So now it's 25 FPS. It's not perfect yet, but we are showing this. Since we made it, this is a demonstration now.
Can you play back H.265 and VP9 at any complexity? Is it different complexity levels, or is it like baseline and different? You know what I mean? Like
you mean like a high profile,
yeah. Is there different profiles for H.265? I don't know the codec, but
I have to check and get back to you later. But for now, we are just having this. I think it's entry level if it does have a different profiles, because it's just you see 360p, and then we have 720p, and then
does 720 actually work yet?
We just had that working in the lab, but not for this time. We're gonna show this maybe in the Hong Kong fair this fall.
So when you say H.265 software decode, it means the CPU is really fast.
Yeah.
That's what it means.
It's currently using the quad core to do the decoding, software decoding. All
right. So that means all the RK3188 devices.
Not just the 3188, but also 3066.
Also.
Yeah, in the future, we are currently still implementing, but the performance is the one with quad core is the best, and we are improving the dual core performance as well as the single core. So in the future, we're gonna have single core, dual core, and quad core. They all support H.265.
Same bitrate resolution, everything, or
yes.
isn't it the
scenario is to have the quad core having the 1080p, and the single core, dual core having the 720p. That's the ideal scenario.
So you have some advanced video decode experts working on this right now.
Yes, we have a group of people working on it still.
It's really hard, no? It's advanced.
You know, Rockchip started with MP3 and MP4, so we do have a bunch of people who is very well experienced in such things.
You're expert, like for many years.
Yeah.
And you even called it MP5, like at one point, and that means that 5 years ago maybe MP5.
MP4,
was like
I think it's the one you were talking about.
Supporting all the codecs, so you didn't need to change the codec on the computer. Everything just worked, you know. Like
we made after making the MP3, we are providing the MP4 solutions, which does have a tiny screen. It's prior to the MID. We are having the Linux-based MP4. So basically, it's a mobile movie players.
Nice.
Basically.
Cool. So and any device with these chips will have it automatically if they get the latest software from you. It's just included. If they need to upgrade Android or something.
Yes, there is a patch, so people doesn't need to upgrade flush their firmware. They just get a patch and install. Probably running background, people just without any notice, they just support the H.265. Yes,
it's
for
just
OTA.
going to be added to all the devices.
Yeah, we have a finished OTA mechanism which support all our customers to have a background upgrade.
Nice.
So
is the upgrades getting better and better with all the systems that upgrades you're doing? Is like automatic?
Yes, it's automatic, but you know, different manufacturer can actually implement it different ways. Some can have the OTA running like background; they don't know it without any notice. Some of them can have they can prompt a notice to the customer, and the customer can decide to upgrade or not.
All right. Cool. So that's cool. The new codec is just working.
Yeah.
And any application that uses that codec will just work. It's not only from the file browser. It can be.
That's right.
All right.
That's right. So
even if YouTube starts using it, it's just gonna work.
VP9, yes, that's YouTube's next